most important software engineering book released in 2010, and in fact probably for the last 5 years, is the Continuous Delivery book by Jez Humble and Dave Farley. Now, just by reading the title, you probably don't know what it's about, but the book could really be called Agile Engineering Practices for Really Effective Agile Development. Because what they've done in the Continuous Delivery book is expanded the scope of what it takes to deliver software and encompassed not just code, but also operations and testing and the entire holistic world that it takes to deliver software in the enterprise world. And what the Continuous Delivery book does is deliver principles and practices that allow you to take what you're doing in terms of coding in Agile projects and expand that to encompass more and more of the enterprise, making it easier and easier to actually get software delivered in a reliable, repeatable way. This workshop is going to focus on a bunch of the details from the Continuous Delivery book. We'll talk about how to handle infrastructure. We'll talk about strategies for dealing with version control to make the best use of version control to allow you to keep doing continuous integration with your code, but also to have in-flight features and other sorts of technical details like that. We talk about practices around setting up deployment pipelines, why that's a beneficial thing, and some mechanics for how to do that, and a variety of different tools. Basically, this workshop is a hands-on overview of the things that you need to know to kind of take Agile to the next level within your organization. And it's really sellable to your organization for 3 really important parts. It gives you better visibility into your software process and what's happening in your software process. It allows you to see what really goes on in delivering software in 2011. It gives you much better risk, much less risk, because doing manual deployments of software creates really risky environments where bugs pop up. If you set up deployment pipelines, you can repeat and practice this process over and over. You chase away these one-off bugs. You get higher and higher confidence in your ability to deliver software. And the last one is responsiveness. And responsiveness is this new favorite metric that I have for software projects. It comes from the Continuous Delivery book. Responsiveness is the amount of time between the time you have an idea and the time that it shows up in a production application. And we want to make that cycle time as short as possible because that's the real manifestation of business value from IT. If we can reduce that cycle time to allow them to have ideas and have those ideas show up as quickly as possible on websites, then we're delivering real true value to the business, and that's what continuous delivery helps you achieve, and that's what we're going to work on in this workshop.